We have breaking updates, in fact, now coming in of the politics that continues. The TMC, in fact, has now claimed that this is part of a larger conspiracy. The TMC claims central agencies, section of the BSF, are also involved. That's the charge by the TMC, saying that the BSF, a section of it, is also involved in the violence. The TMC's big charge is that few political parties are involved. In fact, the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee herself, has also been saying time and again that this is a political conspiracy, but this takes it to another heights. In fact, the TMC has now gone on to claim that part of the BSF is also involved in the violence. Stage 3, at a time when the BSF DIG has revealed that the BSF officials, the personnel at the spot, were also attacked by the mob. The TMC has made a charge against the BSF, and this is unprecedented. The BSF being accused of being involved in the violence.
Well, absolutely, that's a shocking charge that's coming in from the TMC. However, on one hand, that's what we're talking about, that rather TMC, who should, as of now, focus on the law and order situation and how to control the exodus that's taking place, how to provide, proper facilities to the people who are moving from Murshidabad to Malda. This politics is going on so as to who from the security personnel was involved in this particular violence. And now not just the DIG PRO, who indirectly had hit out and said that the BSF personnel did not get injured, and in fact who got injured, only one BSF person got injured, and that too he had a minor cut. So in an indirect way, the DIG PRO of Kolkata is also towing the same line so as to what the TMC have been saying. However, he is not involved. However, he has not commented on the direct involvement of the BSF personnel in this entire matter. But whatever the TMC leaders are saying, or the claims that TMC have been making about BSF being involved, that is certainly very much surprising, because remember that it is the High Court that mentioned that the central forces should be deployed in Murshidabad to take the stock of the situation or to bring the situation under control, because it was Suvendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, who had filed a petition in the High Court that the central forces should be deployed because the situation is certainly going out of control. And remember that the people also went. Our colleague Pooja filed a report to them. So people also
So the TMC has turned a blind eye to the families that are fleeing in fear because they have no option. And look at the leaders who are continuing to say that the BSF personnel who have been deployed for their security, the claim of the TMC is that they are also part of the larger conspiracy. Listen in.
You, or rather your party, from Murshidabad?
You see, there are some bad incidents in some pockets of Murshidabad. We made appeal to the common people. Don't respond to any provocation from BJP, because the guardian of West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, is here. You don't worry. The negative aspects of the Waqf bill will not be implemented in this state. We are receiving some inputs and allegations that there was a larger conspiracy behind those incidents. Some section of central agency, a section of BSF, and a section of 2 or 3 political parties. They were involved in this conspiracy, and with the help of a part of BSF, there was a gap in border. Some miscreants entered, they made chaos, and they were given safe passage to return.
Return where?
I use the word border, and with the help of a section of BSF. Whether it is true or not, there is a need of proper investigation, because the local people, they are not finding any known face who are the masterminds. Who are the masterminds? Police is taking some steps against some people, but the main masterminds, there is a clear gap.